What's up everyone? In this video, I am going to be showing you all my trip that I have taken to New Jersey. So, one thing that I have actually been wanting to do for a while on this channel is do some editing with my GoPro and whatnot. And what better way to do that than doing it on my vacation to New Jersey. So, before we get into this, I do want to make a couple of announcements. First of all, is that in this video, it's not going to be the greatest of quality because one thing is that there are a couple of people that refused to be in this video, so I had to take out quite a bit of content and whatnot, but you know, I'm gonna be working on that, and yeah, I'm gonna try to put it together the best I can, but yeah, that is, it's not going to be, you know, greatest of all time, but I'm going to make sure to like make it look real good and everything, and you know, all of that. So yeah, but another announcement I want to make also is that I have actually, if any of you remember, there is a specific video that I made on my channel a couple of months ago. I went and rode my bike on the Big Saudi Gulf part of the Cumberland Trail, and if y'all can remember, that was actually kind of a big deal because you know, this is actually, I actually took my bike out for quite a while, and it was actually the first bike riding video I made on this channel. But I was actually thinking, you know, I need to start making more videos about this and whatnot, because that was actually beginning to garner some views and get some attention to this channel. But the problem is that a couple of months ago at my apartment, my where I used to live, is that I was just riding around and everything, and I had a little bit of a problem. So here I'm going to show you it. So this is a Moto Cane. I guess this is a 400 HT. Not a particularly bad bike. My dad had it he bought it like about 10 years ago. Pretty expensive bike, to say the least. But it's you know, it's not like, you know, the greatest of the great, but it's also, you know, not too bad of a bike either. But biggest issue with this is that as you can see, the bike tire ended up getting popped. It's either popped or it's just deflated. I'm hoping it's just deflated, because then I have to replace the tube for this. But yeah, I have not had enough time to get to that, and but yeah, I'm gonna have to work on that. But yeah, and I think back in January, I had to get these wires completely replaced on this thing, and I remember they charged me about half the price of the bike just to get these wires placed on it, which I think is just absolute bullshit, because, you know, I think these bike repair shops are like, you know, they're like car dealerships. You know, they're gonna charge you like $10,000 for a bicycle, and then once it, like, one small part of it fails, like the wire or whatnot, they're gonna charge you like $5,000 to get it replaced and all that. But overall, you know, not too terrible of a bike. 10 years old. It's got, I think the best part about it is that it's got click shifters on it, but, you know, that's just me. It's not dual suspension either, so it's not the most comfortable bike ever, but whatever, it's a bike, you know. But I was thinking about making another video about, you know, biking all that, just try and find some places to go biking. So yeah, I'm gonna have to work on that for future content and all that. But another thing to announce is that I also, if you guys don't remember, I went up the W Road over by Signal Mountain, and that video also did garner quite a bit of attention, and somebody asked me if I could go up Roberts Mill, and that road, I actually don't have much of a reason to try go up that road at all because, first of all, it's actually quite a ways away from where I live, and I don't. I just haven't had time to get to that. But yeah, that's just another video I want to work on and all that. And I also do want to make another video where I go out and there's a particular place I want to kind of go explore and all that, but I still have not had time to do that either, so that's also going to be something that I'm going to be working on this channel. But anyway, hope you all enjoy this video. Make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe as well, and let's get right to it. Alright everyone, thank you all so much for watching that. Like I've said before, this is actually my first time doing any sort of video editing and work on my videos at all. So if you all enjoyed that, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe as well and leave a comment. It will really help out the channel and I'll really appreciate it. But otherwise, thank you all so much for watching and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video.